I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how to create AI talking avatar using this AI tool called Canva. So guys, simply go on to canva.com. And once you're right here, you want to simply sign up for the Canva Pro plan. But guys, you can actually make use of the free plan right there. And once you're right here, guys, go on to the app section. And right here, guys, go on to all apps. And you want to simply search for the app called the Nero AI. So I'm just going to tap on the Nero AI. As you can see, avatars by Nero AI. You can easily turn your ideas into captivating videos with this AI. So you simply tap on this right here. You go on to use a new design. And right here, guys, we're just going to make use of the video section right here. And it's going to take us right onto this page. So right here, guys, the first thing we want to actually do is to select a background. We can easily go on to the design section right here and simply search for a background. Probably I'm just going to go on to baking. I want to talk about a baking class right there, something like this. Then select a template that fits this. So right here, guys, I might easily just make use of this right here. Tap on this right here to be my background image right here, guys. So this is it. So once you're done selecting your background image, the next thing you want to do is to go to the app section right here and make use of the Nero AI. You can easily just search for it right here, avatars by Nero AI. And it's going to take me right onto this page. Just simply select the AI tool we want to simply make use of. So the next thing we want to do is to simply pick in an avatar right there. I can decide to make use of this particular avatar. And right here, guys, you want to simply select what they should say. So I'm just going to do this right here and paste in this. So this is what they're going to say right here. And once you're done with that, you select your language. We have lots of languages right here, but I'm just going to make use of this. You choose a voice. I'm just going to make use of this particular voice right here and go on to create your video. So we are generating a voice and animating lips to match your script with a selected AI avatar, and this usually takes about a minute. So you want to simply wait for some minutes for this to be done. So right here, guys, this is it. Our video right here has been generated. So the next thing you want to do is to simply edit your video. You go into the edit video section and you want to simply remove the background. So I'm just going to tap on this and background remove. So this is just going to take a few minutes to remove the background of this particular video. So right here, guys, as you can see, our background image has been removed right here. As you can see, there is no background. So you can easily just drag this right here. You can decide to add this to this scene right here, guys. And I might just even take this up a bit. Take my text this way. And just do something like this. Add this to this. And simply just play this particular video to see how it actually looks like. So guys, this is our video. It is done. Now you can decide to add in some background music. If you go onto your upload section, you can easily just upload some background music. But guys, I prefer you go onto the YouTube audio library and download a background music from there to avoid a copyright strike. I do have a background music right here that I have uploaded right here, so I can decide to add this right here and simply just reduce the volume of this particular background music and make this to be minimal right here. And once I'm done, I can easily just play this. So guys, as you can see, this is our video right here. So once you're done with this, you can easily go onto the share button and simply just download this right into your device. So guys, this is how you can actually create talking avatar by simply making use of this AI tool called Canva.